Hello, welcome back to another video. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can claim a deduction for home office expenses. This video focuses on the home office expenses for employees. If you earn self-employment income or business income, please refer to the business use of home expenses. The temporary flat rate method is no longer available for the 2023 tax year. It was only applicable for the 2020 to 2022 tax years. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can deduct home office expenses using the detailed method for the 2023 tax year. In order to use the detailed method, you must meet all of the following criteria. Your employer required you to work from home. You are required to pay for expenses related to the workspace in your home. Your workspace is where you mainly, more than 50% of the time, do your work, or you use the workspace only to earn your employment income. You also have to use it on a regular and continuous basis for meeting clients, customers, or other people in the course of your employment duties. Your expenses are used directly in your work. You have a completed and signed copy of Form T-2200, Declaration of Conditions of Employment from your employer. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can deduct eligible home office expenses. Some examples of eligible expenses including rent, electricity, heat, utilities, home internet access fees, and supplies. If you are a commission employee, you can also claim property taxes, home insurance, etc. There are some items that you cannot claim, regardless of whether you are salary or commission employees. For example, mortgage interest and principal payments, furniture, capital cost. You should use Form T-777 to calculate your allowable employment expenses. You can refer to the CRA website for details. To calculate the percentage of workspace in the home expenses you can deduct, use a reasonable basis, such as the area of the workspace divided by the total finished area. You also need to calculate your employment use percentage. Detailed information on how to make these calculations can be found on the CRA website. The amount you can deduct for workspace in the home expenses is limited to the amount of employment income remaining after all other employment expenses have been deducted. This means that you cannot use workspace in the home expenses to create or increase a loss. If you cannot deduct all of your workspace expenses in the year, you can carry forward the expenses. You can deduct these expenses in the following years as long as you are reporting income from the same employer. In order to claim home office expenses using the detailed method, you needed a signed Form T-2200 from your employer. Also, you need to keep all the supporting documents to support your expenses. You do not have to include this with your income tax and benefit return, but you need to keep it in case the CRA wants to see it. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to receive updates about taxes and benefits, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on TikTok.